Hi guys, welcome to DevOps World. This is Harish Kumar Reddy. So previously I discussed about Bash scripting regarding about the introduction part. Let's continue the session, guys. So today I'll try to show you how we can work on the programming side also. But most probably, so those who are working in companies, some companies are asking Bash scripting. Some companies are not asking Bash scripting. They'll try to go with Python or Terraform also. So I can cover that one also, guys. Don't need to worry about this. But I'll try to show you how we can work on the Bash scripting. This is all about my main intention. Okay. So today I'll try to discuss all these things now. So for this, I'm trying to go with the cloud directly. For this, I'm trying to go with AWS account. Okay. So I'm trying to go with AWS. So let's go with AWS services. Let's go with my account, guys. Let's go with the root user. Okay, so let's go with this, guys. First, I want to create a server. Let's create a server, S3 bucket. Let's create a server of EC2, guys. Let's launch the EC2 machine. So I can go with bash scripting. You can give any name from your side. I can go with Ubuntu. I can go with 22.4 LTS version. Confirm changes. So now I'm trying to go with add new key pair. So key pair name is anything as per your side. Let's create a key pair for this. Let's launch the instance. Let's launch the instance. So once you launch the instance, let's go back to our instances. Okay, so bash scripting is running currently. Let's go with connection of this file. So I'm trying to connect the file. Okay, so for this, I'm trying to go with MacBook. I can go with terminal. Okay, so here I'm trying to use this one. Sorry, not this one, guys, because we need to go with key pair first. CD downloads. CD downloads. Now I can add this key pair. Okay, enter. Now, after that, what we can do here is I want to connect the server. I want to connect the server. This is what my intention. Okay, right. So basically, if you want to work on the bash scripting part, definitely we need to know the basics actually, how we can work on the coding part. Let's clear the screen. Okay, so for this, what I can do here is first I'll try to go with programming. So I can go with some printing the statement of hello world. Okay, so for this, I can use VI. I'm going with DevOps. I can use a source file name .sh .sh stands for shell. Okay, let's enter. So let's click on insert mode. So I can go with echo, welcome to, welcome to, welcome to DevOps world. DevOps world. Okay. Okay. Echo. Hi. Very good morning. Good morning. Okay. So escape, colon, WQ, enter. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do. Now, how can you execute this code? So basically, if you want to execute this code, I can go with so I can go with bash DevOps .sh. See, hi, welcome to DevOps world. Hi, very good morning to all. Okay, so this is what we are trying to go. Okay, so this is how we can execute the code. Okay, let's go with some more examples to understand this concept actually. Okay, so for this, I have some examples to work on this progress. Okay. I'm trying to go with examples today. See here, I'm have some examples in bash scripting because if you want to work on the coding part, okay. So I can tell you this one very clearly. So previously we worked on these things. What is this actually? So what is this actually? Because so here you need to know only one thing, guys. Root. So this is Ash is nothing but a root, and we are working with a library. So bin bash is a library, guys. Remember this, okay? So and we are trying to print the statement that is user defined code, okay? So here I can go with one more program that is use case scenario. Write a program to execute the conditional statement by using if statement. Okay, what is remember if? See, so we are writing some programming language like C, C++. As you know, this actually, if you know the C, C++, definitely it will be very easy. So if is the condition where we can write the source code. Okay, so suppose if I want to go to company, that is true. If I don't want to go to company, that is a false. Okay, same thing it will be happens here. First I want to write the statement here, so that is a condition. Suppose age equals to 17 means that is not right age. Okay, so we need to go with, according to government, we need to go with 18 is a maturity age. Okay, so 18. So if your age is 8, if you have 18, if you have 18 years old, that is you have to write to vote, or else you cannot write to vote. Okay, so here I'm writing if condition, if else condition. Okay, so if condition, then so you can go with echo right to vote, or else if you cannot go with the vote. Okay, so for this I'm trying to go with this. I'm trying to go with terminal. So vi, I'm writing some ABC, guys, because you can write any name from your side. Go to insert mode. Go to insert mode. You can write the condition here. Okay, so now see, this is a program which we wrote, escape colon wq enter. Okay, so now I can try to execute this one, whether it is working or not. Bash abc dot sh. See, you cannot vote because your age is 17. So your age is 17. Okay, I can go with one more example, vi abc dot sh. Okay, so I can go with insert mode. If your age is, suppose if your age is like 25, 25 escape colon wq enter. So again, I can go with bash. I can go with abc dot sh. Okay, see here, you can vote. See here, these are differences. So if your age is 17, you cannot vote, or else you can vote. Okay, so if age is 25, right. Now, let's move with one more topic, that is one more use case scenario. Write a program to execute the variable statement. I can go, so this is a variable, guys. So variables is nothing but, so whatever you're trying to say, that name, age are variables. Okay, these are the objects. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to go with this variables. You can copy. Okay, so variables name, age are variables, and this is example actually. So I want to print the statements of variables, that is name and age. Escape colon wq enter. Right. Uh, okay, so I can go with the bash. I can go with bash var dot sh. See, I'm getting some error actually. What is error? We'll try to see now. Okay, it is expecting that colons actually. Okay, vi var dot sh. Okay, go to insert mode. escape, colon, WQ, enter. Okay, so for this, I'm trying to go with bash. We are trying to go with the bash variables dot sh. We are trying to go with the bash. Now, now we are trying to go with the vi and so bash var dot sh. So file directory is not found. Okay, again we'll try to check this. So this is very case sensitive, guys. Var dot sh. Creating the new file. Escape colon wq enter bash var dot sh. Okay, go to insert mode, come down. We need to close this file. Whatever you opened, you need to close this. Escape colon wq enter. Okay, so now I can go with bash var dot sh. See here, this the name is Raghu and the age is 20. Okay, so basically what my intention is, so I'll try to show you this errors also, because we are getting errors like this is very case sensitive, guys. Okay, very important. So case sensitive, try to rectify these files as per your side. Okay, so if you know the programming well only, you can know what is the modifications actually. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do. Okay, let's go with one more use case scenario. So now I'm trying to go with one more use case scenario. I want to go with entering the file name echo file name. I want to enter the file name and I want to read the file. So whatever we are entering the file name, we need to read the file. Okay. So for this, we are writing the conditional statement if else. Okay. So let's copy this file, entire file. You can copy. Okay. Let's go with terminal again. So VIR, okay, I can go with VI, some name, anything. File dot sh. Okay, so just you can try to go with paste. So now see here, if you enter the file name, the file is existing on a directory or else file will be created. Okay, escape colon wq enter. So now I can go with bash file dot sh. File dot sh. See, enter your file name. Some high, enter your file name. File name high is not getting created. Okay, let's go with Control C to come out. Now I can go with VI file name. Please study the program first, then we can go with output. So file name is already exist. Okay. Enter. See here, we are trying to go with enter the file name, read file name. Okay, we need to read the file name. Okay. So okay, escape colon wq enter. So now I can go with bash file dot sh. Okay, file name. So what is the file name here? Just I can give the file name, enter, or file created. Okay, so just we can reading the file. This is very, and so this is the main theme of this program is we need to read the file. So we need to read the file. Okay, so this is what we are trying to see the file name. So we are writing the file. We are writing the file so that it will be read. It will read. This is the program structure actually. Okay, next we are trying to go with um, Functions. So what is meant by function? Function is that function main is a function. Function, it will automatically call itself. That is called a function actually. So we are trying to call the functions. Okay, functions. Just you can try to copy this file. Go to terminal. Control C. Okay, so vi function dot sh. Go to insert mode. You can paste. So I think this will be a C language, but we'll see. Escape, colon, WQ, enter. So now bash function dot sh. So see here, function will be called like this, according to that. Hello world, welcome to Greeks for Greeks. Okay. See, basically, what is this actually? We need to call the function. That is my function. We are trying to print the statement. We are calling the function. That is whatever we call my function. That is hello to welcome to Greeks. It is automatically coming. So next, we are trying to go with decision making statements. In decision making statement, we are using if I can go with fi, if else fi. Okay, that is we are trying to go with reverse. Actually, in programming language, we are using if statement only. Okay, nested if statements. Okay, so this is something like use case scenarios, guys. Whatever we are trying to, please try to practice from your side also. It will be very easy according to that. Okay, so majorly I'm not focusing about the bash scripting here, but yeah, I just want to know that how you can work on the bash scripting. This is what we are trying to say this. Okay, so this is all about use case scenario, guys. Okay, so I can continue the deployment tools in next coming sessions. Okay, please try to follow, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so thank you, guys, and have a nice day.